Hello, good evening. My name is Brian, and this is going to be project number 5 dealing with collections interface and its framework. So, uh, it's just one class that we had to create, and it has to deal with creating a list. So, my main class right here is going to be the anime.java right here. So, I made my list dealing with some anime that I like to watch, and then set it up as a program where you could input in a separate user list with different animes, right? So here are the instructions. It's just please enter the name of the anime one at a time. And when you're done with the list, please write stop to end the program, right? So this is how it's going to be for the user list. You're going to enter anime name, and then it's going to go into the user list that we have. Then if you write stop, it's going to break the program and allow you to run through this loop and do all the methods down here. This is going to be our print method right here, which is going to be our anime list and our user list. So predetermined values we input. From here down, it's going to be uh, the collection method, right? So we're going to be dealing with how to shuffle, sort, reverse the list, and then as well as changing it from an array to a list and back to a array. And then finally, we're going to have a fill method to fill the list with a predetermined set of values, which are these right here. Okay, so these are going to be our statistics. So the longest and the shortest entries and the total number of entries that's going to pop up after we populate our anime list and the user list. Then it's going to go through and shuffle the list and then rotate it by -1 position. So it's going to go down one, right? Then we're going to have it give it to us in reversed order and then sort it. So alphabetical order. Okay. And then right here, we're going to convert it to an array and then back to a list. And the same thing with the user list. It's going to transform the same. So right here is our collections fill uh, to put in unknown if uh, if we don't have anything in our user list um, anime list essentially. So right here we're going to compare them, the two lists together to see if they have anything in common. They should not, due to having this. Give me one right here. This ignored case. So this is going to prevent you from having any kind of duplicates. But I just put this just in case there's anything in common or slips through the cracks or something happens to our program. It won't break the application. It'll just keep it going. And then finally, we were able to search uh, for an anime in one of our lists. Okay. Then right here, same thing with the ignore case. And then right here is going to list everything together, the print method, correct? Okay, so let me go ahead and run this application now. So as you can see, we get our predetermined set of values and our instructions right here. So let's say Magi is one of the animes I like. So it's going to say boom. It took that title. Then we're going to do Afro Samurai. Gonna take it. Full Metal Alchemist. That's another one. It accepted it. Let's do Mar. Old school anime. Yu Yu Hakusho. And then let's do one more. Jujutsu Kaisen. should be our last one. And then we're just gonna, to stop the program, correct? I'm gonna write in stop, and it's gonna run through everything. Okay, so predetermined list of values that we have already populated. This is going to be our list. Then we're going to have our anime list, which is the, again, predetermined values, and then the ones that we just put in right now, right? So we have a total of 6 entries, and then from our anime list, the longest is going to be Dragon Ball Z, and the shortest is going to be Bleach. Then it's going to shuffle the anime list, right? Which was like this, right? Then it's going to rotate it. So One Piece is going to drop down to the bottom and Naruto is going to come up. Then we're going to reverse it, which is going to be a mirror image. And then we're going to sort it through alphabetical order right here. So right here, we're going to change it to an array. And then the user list is going to change to an array as well. And then it's going to come back to a list right here. Then since we have our user list filled in, it's just going to fill the anime list with our predetermined set of values. And then it's going to say the user anime list has one more entries. So it has one more than the anime. So let's say if we want to look for One Piece, and it should tell you searching in a list of 6 entries, One Piece found at position 6. And that's how it goes for this program. If I miss anything, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.